How to find joy in retirement. Retirement trips for you. I'm going to go through all the things that are available out there in the world to help you get through these trying times as you're in going into retirement or in retirement or lost a loved one or went through a bad divorce and you're out there by yourself. How to find joy in retirement and life. Take up a hobby. There are 51 different hobbies, activities for seniors during retirement. There's no better time than retirement to explore your passions. Find something that you enjoy and make it regular part of your life. It could be playing an instrument, writing, painting, or even gardening. The possibilities are endless. Hobbies are great for finding joy in retirement. It's often seen as a time of rest and relaxation. But if you want to make the most of your golden years, it's important to stay active. It sounds like a drag, but taking up a new hobby or exploring a different part of the world is one way to ensure that retirement remains enjoyable for years to come. And don't forget that retirement also brings with it access to a world of new health benefits like Medicare, which helps seniors stay healthy and active. With the right retirement plan in place, you can continue living life to its fullest and make the most of retirement. And that's what I do, helping seniors get the best possible Medicare coverage for their location. I'm licensed in New York State, Florida, and California. What next? Family and friends. Spend time with people and friends. And family and friends. Reach out to your loved ones often and enjoy the time you spend together. Go for lunch. Take a walk in the park or plan a weekend away. Your relationships will bring joy and meaning to your life. Meet new people and create new friendships. Taking someone out to lunch and spending your hard earned money is a great way to relax and enjoy yourself. You succeeded, you have the funds, enjoy the money because it's not going with you. Next thing, most important, stay physical. Physical, stay physically active. Exercise is good both for your body and mind. Get it moving and reap the rewards of improved physical and mental health. Join a dance school to meet new people. Try Argentine Tango because it will challenge you like no other dance. Enjoy special social events and activities specially tailored to seniors. Now, about dance schools, it's a sneaky way to meet new people. I joined a tango group class 3 or 4 years ago, and I've created some great relationships with some wonderful people who are like-minded like me and enjoyed this difficult dance. I took swing dance lessons, I took salsa lessons, and in each school, I met new people who are now longtime friends. So, what are the benefits of senior exercise? Improve your immune system, improve your heart health, improve bone density, healthy brain, sleep better, and digestion. Go out and bike ride. I have a beautiful bike trail by my house. I go out there all summer long. I do 10 miles biking, and I'm a lot older than most of you. Senior exercise is the secret to a long and healthy senior life. Something new. Don't be afraid to try something new. Broaden your horizon. Get out of your comfort zone and try a new activity or skill. Learning is a great way to stimulate the mind and help you keep sharp. 40 things to do before you die. Take the things you already done. Go on a safari. Hey, get married for the fourth time. Learn to drive. Go to a masquerade ball. Make a snow angel. Have a child. I don't know. I don't recommend that one. Kiss or dance in the rain. See a West End or Broadway show. Donate blood. Create your dream home. Conquer your biggest fear. See the Mona Lisa, which I did. Go on a hot balloon air ride. I did that. Go for a weekend festival. Ride in a limousine. I did that. See the Northern Lights. Haven't done that. Ride in a helicopter. I've done that. Do volunteer work. See the seven wonders of the world. I've seen some. Eat at a five-star restaurant. Run a marathon. Fall in love. Get a tattoo. start a business, learn a language, go skydiving, break a Guinness World Record, cook a five-course meal, go skiing, go whale watching, fly first class. That's something I would like to do. Play an instrument. Spend New Year's Eve in Times Square. Not looking forward to that. Go to Mardi Gras. Learn to dance. Live abroad. Attend the Olympics. Meet your idol. Own a pet. Go on a road trip. A lot of wonderful things that you can do to improve your life. One of them is volunteering. Taking up volunteering. Volunteering is an opportunity to give back and make a difference. Help others will leave you feeling fulfilled and joyful. You also have access to social support networks and caregiving. My father in his 90s said he didn't want to go to a senior citizen center because it was full of old people. Well, surprise, it's full of senior citizens like you and me. So don't be afraid to volunteer. You'll meet new people, like minded, and most of the time, you're going to find people that are financially stable or they wouldn't be volunteering. Your community. Re engage with your community or find a new one. Retirement is the perfect time to reconnect with your local area. Attend community events, join clubs, or get involved in activities that interest you. You'll be sure to meet interesting people and have lots of fun. Let's talk about that. These people who run these organizations are dying for you to come. They want you to come. They need you to come. The VA are dying for members. The senior dancing is looking for members. Senior centers are looking for members. Food on Wheels, Meals on Wheels is looking for members. The next important thing is travel. Don't let age put a stop to your wanderlust. See the world, explore different cultures, and have new experiences. Make the trips where you're still healthy, and that's the magic word, while you're still healthy. Before you get a stroke or start getting dementia or have heart trouble or leg trouble or knee trouble, get out there while you're healthy. The next big one, technology. Stay connected to technology. Don't let it pass you by. Keep up with the latest advancements in technology and stay ahead of the game. Social media is a great way to keep in touch with friends and families. In fact, I have a very close friend, more than 50 years, that we constantly talk to each other on the phone, and he's across the country, or they could be across the world. And now with WhatsApp, it's free. So reach out to people you haven't been in touch with, family members. If you let the world shrink, you're going to be all by yourself. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, depression. What are the symptoms and signs of depression? How do you know if you or your loved one may have depression? Does depression look different as you age? Depression in older adults may be difficult to recognize because older people may have different symptoms than younger people. For some older adults with depression, sadness is not their main symptom. They may instead be feeling more of a numbness or a lack of interest in activities. They may not be as willing to talk about their feelings. The following is a list of common symptoms. Still, because people experience depression differently, there may be symptoms that are not on this list. Persistent, sad, anxious, or empty mood. Feelings of hopelessness, guilt, worthlessness, or helplessness. Irritability, restlessness, or having trouble sitting still. Loss of interest in one's pleasurable activities, including sex. Yeah, as you get older, you don't have to lose your interest in sex. Decreased energy or fatigue. Moving or talking more slowly. Don't let yourself become an old person. Difficulty concentrating, remembering, or making decisions. Difficulty sleeping. Waking up too early in the morning or oversleeping. Get out of bed. Welcome each day as a new life. Socrates said, you should live as if you had died, and this new day is a rebirth. So difficulty concentrating, remembering, or making decisions. Difficulty sleeping, waking up too early in the morning or oversleeping. eating more or less than usual, usually with unplanned weight gain or loss, thoughts of death or suicide attempts. Let me tell you about suicide. You don't have to do it. Life is going to kill you. You don't have to do it yourself. If you have several of these signs and symptoms and they last for more than 2 weeks, talk with your doctor. You're covered under Medicare for psychiatric help. They should be the warning signs of depression or another health condition. Don't ignore the warning sign. If left untreated, serious depression may lead to death by suicide. Again, let me state unequivocally, life is going to kill you. You don't have to do it yourself. Let's cover loneliness. Loneliness is the property of self. Solitude is the richness of self. Alone is state of being or body, whereas loneliness is a state of mind. Let me read that one again. Alone is a state of being or body, where loneliness is a state of mind. If you don't mind, it doesn't count. Important, get some sun. Explore the outdoors. Get some fresh air and sunshine. Don't stay locked up watching TV all day. Get out of the house. Go walking. Go walk your neighborhood. Spend time walking in nature or camping or take up bird watching. The list is endless, but do something. Get out of there. Get to that sun. That sunlight will change your mood and increase your health. Time for yourself. Make time for yourself. Don't forget to take care of yourself and your mental well-being. Find ways to relax, unwind, and de-stress. Spend time doing something that brings you joy, whatever it may be. Appreciate your life accomplishment and share your experiences with others. Enjoy the wisdom and perspective that comes with age. You can now enjoy an improved quality of life with fewer responsibilities, less hassle, and more time for you to relax. You don't have to get up early in the morning and get in that car and go to that job and wait to retire. This is it. You made it. Not everybody did. Remember that. Not everybody makes it to the end of the run. Enjoy yourself. Give yourself a thumbs up because you made it. My name is Bill Vargas. My company is Senior Health Corp. I work for you, not the insurance company. I'm a veteran serving veterans and seniors. My telephone, if you want to get a hold of me, you can text me at 1-845-380-5809. Or you can go to my website, insuredmeds.com. If you're a veteran, you can go /Veterans Medicare. Please like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. I work very hard to put these out. So please share it with everyone you know. And if you know someone that needs help, I'm licensed in New York State, North Carolina, and Florida. So if you're in any of those 3 areas, I can help you. Thanks. See you on the next video.